So we're making the best ever plantain chips. This is very easy, so simple. It comes with a twist. Stay tuned and watch this video till the end if you want that yellowish color, and trust me, it turn out delicious. Let's get started. Go ahead, add water to your plantains and make sure you wash it. I've already washed mine but for the video's sake I have to rewash it again. So go ahead, cut off the end and the tip, and then use a knife to draw a straight line and then peel your plantains. It's very simple. Everyone knows how to peel plantain. Am I lying? So when done, keep it aside and let's move to the salt mixture. So this is very easy. It's basically water, salt and turmeric powder. It's about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, a tablespoon of less than teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix till well combined and keep it aside. So in the meantime, you can go ahead and preheat your oil. All you have to do is to use a vegetable slicer and slice the plantain in the hot oil. Make sure the oil is hot. So once the plantain is halfway cooked, now you can go ahead and scoop about 2 teaspoons in, and then use your and then let it cook until it is ready. Stay close to it. This does not take time at all. Just keep turning it, keep flipping it, keep moving it until it is very crispy, and you are good to go. So as you can tell, making plantain chips from the comfort of your home is very, very easy, and it's delicious, it's healthy as well. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I know you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this. Is it not beautiful? Is it not beautiful? I hope you try this process and let me know the outcome in the comment section. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, love you all and stay blessed.